Assalamu alaikum class 8th. I am your math teacher Mrs. Itrat. Today we start exercise 2.3. It is about square root. You know a square root of a number is a value that when multiplied by itself gives the number. There are two methods of finding square root. Number 1, prime factorization method. Number 2, division method. You have learned both these methods in grade 7. Let's refresh our knowledge by practicing more and more examples. Before starting exercise 2.3, question 1, which is find the square root by factorization. I want to explain the method you have learned in your primary classes. In this method, we split our given number into its prime factors. Then choose one number from each pair and multiply by the chosen number. The product of these chosen numbers is the square root of the given number. In this way, we can find the square root of the given number in question number 1 of exercise 2.3. Now let's start. Part 1 is find the square root of 256 by factorization method. Yes, look here. I use factor 3 to find the prime factors of 256. The factors are 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 twos. We make pairs here. In the next step, we take one factor out of each pair, which are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, and the last step is to multiply all these chosen numbers and find 2 into 2 is equal to 4 and 4 into 2 is equal to 8 and 8 into 2 is equal to 16. So the square root of 256 is 16. In the same way, we can solve all the other parts of question 1. Here I solve part 2, that is 400, whose prime factors are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. These are the pairs 2 square into 2 square into 5 square. We choose one factor from each pair and got 2 into 2 into 5, and the product is 20, which is the square root of 400. Here I solve part 7 of question 1. Look here, I made its prime factors, then wrote them in pairs. Here I took out one factor from each pair and multiplied these and found the number 196, which is the square root of 38416. Do parts 3, 4, 5, 6 and 8 by your own. Now question number 2 is find the square root by division method. Dear student, here one question arises in my mind, that why can't we just choose prime factorization method every time, as we understood this method very well? The answer is, it's just because if the number is large, it will take a lot of time to reduce it to its prime factors, and the chances to going wrong are very high. Prime factorization is useful only for small numbers, and for large numbers we can use division method. Question 2, part 1 is to find square root of 324 by division method. For this, we draw two lines, one on the top of the number 324 and one to the left of the number 324. Then mark pairs from unit end. We marked the pair that is 24 from the right. Figure 3, left single. Now we find the perfect square which is equal to or lower than 3. It is 1. That is 1 into 1 is equal to 1. We multiply it above and add it below and subtract its product from 3. We have 2. Now we get the new pair down. Now the number becomes 224. We should find here the number to become the new digit in the quotient, that is 18 into 8. The product of 18 into 8 is exactly equal to 224. Hence 18 is the square root of 324. I solved part 2. Look here, 4356 number is. First I made the pairs from unit digit here from right side. We have two pairs, that is 56 and 43. First we find perfect square equals to or lower than 43. There is no perfect square of 43. So we find the lower one, that is 6 into 6 is equal to 36. Now subtract the product, which is 43 minus 36 is equal to 7. We got the pair 56 down. The number becomes 756. Here we find the number to become the new digit in the quotient, that is 126 into 6 is exactly equal to 756. Hence the square root of 4356 is 66. In the same way I solved part 6 also. See, yes, the answer is 729. Do parts 3, 4 and 5 of question 2 by yourself. Dear student, here our today's task is finished. We will do exercise 2.4 in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.